It's your chance to help an Indiana woman spread her story on Facebook and Twitter in hopes of finding a young girl who needs a boost of confidence. Caitlin Edwards was at the Porter County Fair last week when she was getting on a ride and saw a young girl in line with her mom. Now, the mother helped this girl get into her seat, but not until after a group of girls ridiculed her about her body. Edwards posted on Facebook, "I need to find you and tell you how beautiful you are and how much you're worth. I don't know what I can do to erase that experience from you, but I'll do whatever it takes to reach you and show you your worth." Now, we've made it easy for you to share this post by putting it right in your Facebook newsfeed this morning.